welcome to the Texan Table. Today, we're smashing pickles. Howdy y'all, I'm Chet Garner and welcome back to the Texan Table, the place where we try out, eat, and discover some amazing Texas small businesses. We got something special today. It is a salsa unlike any other in the Lone Star State. Instead of using tomatoes, they use pickles. What? Let me introduce y'all to Pickle Smash. Based in Austin, Texas, Pickle Smash is the original pickle salsa. Today we have all three of their spice levels. We have the mild, we have the medium, we have the hot, and we're gonna eat them all. We got the mild. Okay. I was worried I was gonna have to ask you for help. All right, here we go. Look at that.
Sad if you're not strong enough for the mild.
So this was started by Brian and Liz White, almost by accident when they didn't have any relish for an outdoor cookout. So they went in the kitchen, threw some pickles together, some onions, some jalapenos, some spices, and bam. They didn't just invent a new relish, they forged a new frontier in salsa land. All I need is chips. Whoa! Look at it. That does not look like pickles. Starting with the mild. I figure this is the best way to taste the true essence of the pickle. That is amazing. It is like pickle relish and Texas salsa had a baby together. We are all invited to the birthday party. So it's got all the kind of spice profile of a really good salsa. You got the jalapenos, the onions, the peppers, maybe a little bit like cumin chili powder in here. Then you got that extreme dill saltiness of the pickles. Oh, I really wasn't expecting you to like it if you don't like pickles.
No, I like that.
What?
That's weird.
What? I think you could eat this on anything. Heck, you could eat this on Texas barbecue. I don't think you'd be mad about it. Medium. A little sting in the nostrils. Okay, all right. A little extra kicker in there, a little bit. It is spiced up with jalapenos. I am sweating a little bit. Now the color is all the same. There is no giveaway as to which one's the spicy one. Oh, okay. All right, Pickle Smash. There's things that are slow burners, they build. And then there's the ones that punch you in the face like right away. Woo! That one is a puncher. How are they getting that much heat out of the jalapeno? Holy moly. Oh man. It's one of those, the only way to make the mouth cool down is just to keep eating it. Pickle Smash salsa, incredible, but I have a bonus product for you right here, right now. Y'all like Pickle Smash? I give you Pickle Splash, pure pickled juice. Any athlete knows it's incredible with electrolytes. It'll relieve cramps because it replenishes the lost sodium in your body, helps you retain water. So it's a recovery drink. You can use it as a cocktail mixer, but I have found another insanely delicious use for it as a brine for chicken wings, and I got some cooking. Let me go grab them. I made these. These are Pickle Smash's ultimate pickle wings. Took some chicken wings. I covered them in Pickle Smash. They sat in that brine all night long in my fridge. Took them out, put them in the oven. About halfway through, I coated them in Pickle Smash salsa. They were in there for about 40 minutes. And here's the end result, my friends. So you get a pickle saturated chicken wing that is also covered in sort of caramelized pickle salsa. Oh man, I love chicken wings. And there's 1,000 different ways you can do chicken wings, but they're mostly about the sauce you're putting on the outside. When you've let the wings sit in this magical juice all night long, it's not just what's on the outside, it's what's all up in the inside too. I could hammer through about 50 of these things. Oh gosh, that is good. Oh man, those are good. Oh, yeah.
Would you just hammer that right there, that bottle? Just throw it back?
Is that a dare?
A little bit.
Oh, that's right, baby. All right, So if you want to find some Pickle Smash yourself, you can find it at retailers like H-E-B. You can also order it online at picklesmash.com. Get some of this stuff. Oh yeah, I'm feeling electrolyted and hydrated. Let's go run a marathon.